Let's take a brief look at these traditional items used in the ritual. For the ritual bath, nyanyara, this is the creeping alfalfa vine leaves and the green slimy underwater ribonous plant, what we call the sea kelp, is soaked in water for ablution. This concoction is supposed to ward off evil spirits and ill omen. Raffia is the long silky ribbon produced naturally in the diaphragm of the raffia palm tree. It is durable and can be split into thin slivers and dyed in various colors. Before the introduction of the cotton thread, raffia was threaded into the eye of needles to sew certain arts and craft objects. We all know what gunpowder is. White clay powder, we call it ayelo. It's an ordinary white clay, what we call kaolin, dug from the earth and ground into powder. It is the conceptualization of the supposed spiritual powers in these items and their doubtful ability to protect the individual or ward off ill omen and evil spirits that is the source of the objection by many biblical Christians.